Look at this hair. It's all the way down to here, and she wants to go right up to about here. Right? This will be good. This will be right up there. And right there. So we are going to show me a picture. She likes it all like nice and piecey and shattery. Wow. Whoa. Yeah, it's gonna look so good. In 1 minute, it's all different.
We were talking about how to take a lot less time for her to wash her hair in the shower.
Oh yeah.
She won't have to detangle the bottom.
This is true. Okay, it's kind of like I gotta do a little bit more here. Yeah, there we go. So, oh my God, you just see how cute. I just have such a cute.
So cute.
Yeah, yay. Yay. All right, go over here this way. Put your head forward. Okay, so we are gonna go, I'm gonna kind of take her little section right here. All right, so where do you think you want this like layer to be? You want chin, lip, nose, eyebrows?
I kind of like that picture where it was like the short layers. I don't know, I want to try something different than the long layers I usually.
All right, so we're gonna go shorter. We're gonna go nose.
Okay.
Okay, nose, yay. And now I'm gonna do it a little bit more, and then I'm gonna come in. See, I like all of it shattery like that. See how pretty it makes her. And then we're gonna go this way and this way. Cute.
It already looks so cute.
Now I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna dry this down. Beautiful. Yay, this is gonna be so pretty. Okay, now look at, I gotta do all this right here. See how pretty these angles are coming out? That's what you want to see. See, and I gotta do that right there. Yeah, look at how cute this side is already. Oh my God, it looks so good. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. So you ready? I take the next section. I'm taking it from the top, bringing it down to the next section here. So I did this first. Now you take this section here and come forward. And I'm going to just come down a little bit more. And it just really makes it super piecey. Look at how pretty that looks. See that? Beautiful. I love a razor. Oh my gosh, when somebody wants those nice, she said, I want nice and piecey, airy pieces. And that's like my ding, ding, ding razor, because it just comes out so pretty and it falls so nice, Jade. You're gonna love the way it's gonna fall too. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so pretty.
I can imagine it's gonna feel so different as well.
Oh my gosh, you're gonna, I don't even think
Probably already feels good.
I know. right?
With all that weight off.
All right, so now you really check that, get that middle, and make sure everything has to be balanced. It's not perfection, it's balance. All right, now I'm gonna put more layers in there. Da-da-da. Yeah. Look at how cute already, right? He's so cute. All right, now we're gonna do the beach ball. So I'm gonna stay this way. We're gonna do this beach ball. Okay. I'm gonna take this piece, but I'm gonna do this beach ball. Like this comb has to be like this, okay? Because I wanna think where her first piece is right there. Okay, so I'm gonna just come up here. Nice. Now I'll do the next section. And the more swoop that I take with that razor, the more textured it will be on those ends. But this is what's so good for her hair, because her hair will just fall into place. The softer you make hair, the easier it is to just do it. It's easier to have volume and texture without having to blow dry it even. She don't even have, you don't blow dry your hair anyway, right?
My hair dry.
Yeah, she air dries. This is perfect for an air dry haircut. And you waited way too long. Missy. I see.
Yeah.
That's okay. It's fun.
Maybe I should at least try to get it once a year.
Yeah, once a year. Let's do once a year. She did 2 years. I did her hair 2 years ago. But that's how good my haircuts last. I always tell people you can go longer because the haircut is.
Yeah.
Okay, that's. Ooh, let me check her. Hold on. See, I'm holding that because I really want that texture right there. And then I'm gonna get in there and I make some space. I just kind of grab it, and wherever it's thick, I make some spaces. Oh, just look at that fun, beautiful hair. It's gonna do magnificent. Yeah, much better. Much better.
Do you want me to go check her?
Wait a second. Okay, now I'm on what section, Roro?
You're on section 2.
Yeah, good job. Section 2 in the beach ball, guys. Section 2. She knows because she watches me cut hair all the time and she practice. She's gonna learn how to do this haircut amazing. So you're gonna know Roro will be a girl. Yeah, all my girls are learning this beach ball. See, we have balance. It doesn't have to be perfect. We have balance going on there. Now I'm gonna check it this way. See, you see exactly where I need to do it. Okay, now I'm done with that whole back. Look at that beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous texture. Woohoo! All right, now I'm gonna be on section 4. I'm gonna check it right here. Nice texture. There we go. And you're using different parts of the blade, just so you know, so you keep it nice and fresh. And you always change your blade every single haircut. Don't do 2 haircuts with 1 blade. You always change your blade. Let's get right behind me. Juliana, can you check Uli for me, hon? Please, just to see. White blonde. She wants to match her salt. Okay, this is like the last section. Good. Oh, yeah. Good job. That was so good. Now I think I want more right here too. Yeah, I want more. Oh yeah, that looks so much better. Now look at that. Look at this side. Ta-da! Oh my god, you're gonna love this haircut. All right, good.